We're making an easy Greek-inspired sheet pan chicken with juicy, crispy chicken thighs. They're baked with garlic-infused veggies, and it's all topped with feta cheese and served with my Greek Yogurt Tzatziki sauce. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy sheet pan chicken, we're going to start by marinating our chicken. So in a bowl, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of some light olive oil. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below. And that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, and frequently asked questions. Next, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of some fresh lemon juice, which is the juice from 1 lemon. And then I have 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. And we're just going to put these down into this lemony oil marinade. And this is just going to help infuse the meat with that lemony flavor. But I'm not going to add the seasonings right now because I want to add them later so I can control the amount. And then we'll set this aside so they can marinate while we prep the rest of our ingredients. Next, we're going to prep the veggies. And I just took 1 zucchini and sliced it in half and then sliced it into these 1/2-inch half circles. And I find that this thick of a cut works really well for roasting. And then I did the same for 1 yellow zucchini. And then I cut down about 1/2 cup of some asparagus spears. And then I sliced up 1/2 of a red onion, and I left the ends intact so you get these fun little bunches of onion. And then I sliced up 1 lemon, and I minced 4 cloves of garlic. So to season the veggies, we're going to start with a bowl, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of light olive oil. And I found that mixing them in a bowl with the oil and seasonings first minimizes the amount of extra oil or liquid that's in the pan. Next, I'm going to add our 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a few dashes of black pepper. Then we'll just quickly mix this together. And then we're going to add our green zucchini, our yellow zucchini, our red onions, and 1 cup of cherry or grape tomatoes. Now I'm not going to add the asparagus or the lemon slices at this point because they need less time in the oven. And then we'll just stir this until all the veggies are well coated. And then in your sheet pan, you could either line it with some foil, or I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of some avocado oil. And then we can dump in our vegetables and spread those out in the pan. Next, we can season and add our chicken thighs. So I'm just going to place them on a plate here, and they already have plenty of oil on them from the marinade. And that's going to help them get nice and crispy in the oven. I'm going to start by seasoning with some sea salt, and I'm seasoning the bottom side first. The easiest way to get the garlic flavor is just using some garlic powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. So this is probably about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of some paprika, and a dash of some black pepper. And then I'm going to flip them over and repeat. So we'll season them with salt, our garlic powder. And to keep that golden color on top, I'm not going to add paprika, but I will give them a dash of pepper. And then I'm going to top them with some oregano. And then we'll take each piece and layer it in our pan. And I'll just kind of nestle them in between the vegetables. Well, this looks beautiful, and it's ready to go into a 425-degree oven for 25 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and add in a few more of our ingredients. Now the bowl that we mixed our vegetables in should still have a little bit of oil, garlic, and seasoning in it. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in the asparagus spears and give those a quick stir so they get coated in the oil. And then we'll set these aside until it's their turn to roast. And while our sheet pan is in the oven, we can go ahead and mix together a really simple Greek Yogurt Tzatziki sauce. We're going to start by grating 1/2 a cucumber. And as you know, cucumbers have a lot of water in them, so we want to extract that water before we put it into our sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and just shred this right into my mesh bag so it's really easy to squeeze out the liquid. But you can also use paper towels or a clean dish towel. So I'll just quickly grate my cucumber. That already is starting to smell so fresh. Now that that's all grated, I'm just going to wad up my bag here. Oh, liquid is already starting to come out. And then I can just very easily squeeze it down into a bowl. So then I'll just add the cucumber to a mixing bowl. And then we're going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and I'm just using plain full fat for the most creaminess. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of some freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of some light olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. But you could also use fresh minced if you like, 1 teaspoon of dill, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to whisk this together until it's well combined. And then we have this delicious tzatziki sauce that we can set aside until our sheet pan is done. Well, here's our meat after 25 minutes in the oven, and the smell is so incredible. So now our meat is not completely cooked yet, and our vegetables are just starting to caramelize. But now we're going to add in our asparagus spears, and I'm just going to sprinkle these throughout the pan. And I'm going to add in just a few lemon wedges so they can get a little bit of color and flavor to them. And then we can add in our Kalamata olives, but you could omit these or use any type of olives you like. And the olives really don't need to roast, we're just putting them in so they can get nice and warm. Now this can go back into our oven for another 15 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. Well, here's our sheet pan after the additional 15 minutes, and it is incredible. So while it's still nice and hot, I'm going to come in and sprinkle some of the feta cheese so it can kind of melt down over those warm veggies. And I did check the internal temperature of the chicken before I pulled it out, and it was just over 165 degrees. Now there is going to be a lot of liquid down in the bottom of your pan, and that's because of the extra moisture that is in zucchini, the tomatoes, and the juices that come down from the chicken. That's not a bad thing because you could use some of that extra liquid if you're going to serve this with some pasta or some rice or another starch. Well, I am ready for a sample. So I'm going to pull off a little bit of that juicy chicken. And I love having that cool tzatziki sauce to dip the warm veggies into. That is divine. Seriously, that is so delicious. You get a little bit of sweetness coming in from the blistered tomatoes, and then you get the tang coming in from the lemon and the Greek yogurt that's in that tzatziki sauce. And then you get that juicy chicken that is just full of flavor and perfectly seasoned. Altogether, that tastes amazing, and you can see how easy it was to prepare. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And I want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. And I've included the link to this full recipe, and it's in the description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.